Welcome back, friends. We have seen Oracle's IoT architecture. We have seen gather, enrich, stream, manage, acquire, organize, and analyze things. Now, architecture has the following features. IoT architecture serves as a reference for applications of IoT in services and in business processes. So, IoT architecture used in different IoT services and different business processes where the applications of IoT can work as per the architecture, where the gathering of devices, enriching through gateways, streaming the information or data to network, managing where identity of device, access management, device management is done, and where data is stored and analyzed. So all these applications can use these services in different business processes. This architecture has also a set of sensors which are smart, which capture the data, perform necessary data element analysis, and communicate through gateway. Transformations of device application framework and connect directly to a communication manager happens. This architecture allows us through IoT communication management and connect directly to this communication manager. We've seen smart sensors are directly connecting through network to communication manager or communication management system, and sensors using gateway connecting to the communication manager or communication management system. A set of sensor circuits is connected to a gateway possessing a separate data capturing, gathering, computing, and communication capabilities, which we have seen light. Apart from smart sensors, these are the sensors which are connecting through gateway to the network, which have a capacity for processing the separate data, capturing, gathering, computing, and communication capabilities. Gateway receives the data in one form at one end and sends it in another form to the other end. So we are using gateways. So sensors will collect the data through one end and send the data to other end. And it performs the conversion of one format one end to another format other end. And that is the job where gateway is come in picture. Communication management system or subsystem consists of different protocol handlers, message routers, and message cache, which plays a part which receives from smart sensor directly the data through network or through sensors through gateways where one form of data is converted into another form at other end, and here this communication manager handles whatever protocols are required as per protocols they receive, and there are message cache system also and message router which comes through network and routed to internet firewall for next part. So these are the features, different features provided by the architecture, which serves as a reference for different applications of IoT in services, in business processes, set of sensors which are smart, capture the data, perform necessary element analysis, transformation as per device application framework, connect directly to a communication manager, set of sensor circuits which are connected to a gateway possessing separate data capturing, gathering, computing and communication capabilities. These gateways receives the data in one form and sends it in another format or the range. And communication management system, which consists different protocol handlers, message routers, and message cache system. So these are the properties of different features provided by Oracle IoT architecture.